Hi guys, this is Eshan Reddy. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show how we going to blow few crackers on this Diwali. I started to pray God to keep safe while bursting crackers. Then we started firework. My grandfather guiding me to take precautions about safety and helping me while blowing the crackers. My sister was bit afraid to crackers. We enjoyed the firework for this Diwali festival. Hope you guys also enjoyed for this Diwali festival. That's it for this video. We will back with another video. Please do like, share and subscribe this video.